Are you ready to unlock the door of a dynamic, fulfilling career in project management? Well, if you are, please stay tuned. I'm your boy D. For you smart and intelligent folks out there, listen, that just simply means Ed. Today's episode is entitled How to Get Started in Project Management. Again, how to get started in project management. If you're new to the channel, I have a 7-point framework. After that, we're out. First point, define your passions and goal. Again, define your passion and goal. Listen, family, when you're deciding out what you want to do in life, you need to define what you want, what are you passionate about, and what are the goals that can accompany that. Because if not, I heard it said best, if you don't know where you're going, anywhere would do, because you don't have a destination. So start by identifying the things you're passionate about within project management, setting a clear, and I do mean crystal clear, career goal. And then as you're going along the way, understanding your interests will also help you align your path with the right opportunities in project management. Point number 2, acquire project management knowledge. Listen, you can begin by taking a course, workshops, enroll yourself in workshop, online programs, masterminds. I'm part of a I'm actually, well, I'm only part of one now. So I'm a part of one mastermind, project management mastermind, as well as leadership. So this, and if you haven't, I'll even tell you, is Phil. It's called PLM, Project Leaders Management Institute, PML. I think that's right. I'm sorry if I butchered it, Phil. But very great online. Every Saturday we meet and we talk about project management. We talk about leadership. We talk about sales. We talk about marketing. We talk about, because all of these aspects are geared towards project management. Um, so if you are really excited about, trying to figure out how do I get started, even go on Udemy, look at courses on Udemy, especially when they have their sales. That's a good place to start. We're actually going to have some courses here. I'm going to build some courses for you guys, family, around CAPM and PMP, and then what happens after that. So stay tuned for that. Also, as you know, I have a book coming, The Magnetic Project Manager. So that book is coming out, should be out by the end of August. So stay tuned for that right now. Currently, we're in July. Point number 3, seek relevant certifications. As I mentioned before, your PMPs, your CAPM, your Prince 2s, what else is a good ACP, man, even like I think they even have some business analyst certifications. But the ones that and then also I went and got some, I went and took some agile certifications as well. I think it was ICP, Agile, ICP, ATF, which was around facilitation, being able to facilitate better. I'm always looking for new certifications. I don't really care so much about the certification. I care about what I'm going to learn and how I can take what I learned and apply it. Like, you'll be shocked. You probably think, if you've seen my business office, you would think, oh, well, you probably got your degrees. I have none of that stuff up. And it's not because I'm not grateful and thankful for getting it. I just want to keep that dog. I want to keep that hunger to keep going. And that's how I trick myself. I mean, when I don't see those things, I'm like, there's work to do. So family, definitely seek relevant certifications. Point number 4, again, I'm always going to say this, which is being able to have the ability to master communication and leadership. When you master your interpersonal skill of being able to communicate effectively with a team, verbally or not, it really it's going to help your career. And also finding little ways. Like for me, I'll give you an example, finding little ways. I would send a bunch of emails and I was like, man, I'm not getting any response. So I said, let me try something else. So I would send a message in Teams or Slack or something like that, and then I'll get a response, and then I'll follow up and say, hey, this is what we talked about. So you always just finding out new ways to better your communication, and I'm still a work in progress, as there is. Embrace project management tools. There's so many tools out here for project management. just get familiar with the software that your organization is using. I know I've worked in organizations where all they use is Microsoft Project. Anything else will not work for project management. That I've worked in houses where the only thing that they use is Smart Sheets, and you better not even mention what a Microsoft project is. They'll go off on you. So again, a tool or software is there to assist you or to automate things. Uh, one more thing, I've also used Excel to create a project schedule or a project plan. So you just want to be able just to be versatile, family. I should have named point number 6, be versatile in project management tools, but I just said embrace them. Being able to embrace them, meaning that there's that you're willing to learn any tool at any time, depending on what organization you're in or what client you're dealing with. The last and final point is network and connect. Matter of fact, how about you network with me? How about you do me a favor? If you paid attention to the end of this video, let me know where you're from, what country you live in, if what city you're in, what state. I'll be definitely looking forward to connecting with you. But anyway, point number 7 is network and connect. So joining in by connecting with other project managers. I'll recommend jumping onto LinkedIn and finding people, groups in project management that you connect with. Facebook. We actually have a Facebook group here called the Project Management Lab. Again, the Project Management Lab. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Just ping me or leave me a message or something. You'll be able to find me. I'm not hard to find. But leave me a message and I'll add you to the group. Again, I'm probably going to be building that out the month of August. Currently, as at the taping of this is the end of July, but in the month of August, by the end of August, that should be built out. Everything should be been in place. And what I would like to do for you guys, family, my diehards, my day ones, the ones that are coming in and been really supportive, leaving me good comments, just helping me grow on this thing called YouTube. I appreciate, and I want to do something special for you guys and just give, like if you had any questions or anything like that around project management, we have a group and just really want to create a group of like-minded individuals. So stay tuned for that. Once that is released, I will be informing you guys. So for all my newbies that are looking to cross over into project management, I want to be that bridge for you to help you, because I really, and I'm not just saying this just to say it because I'm making videos on it, but I really do believe like this is an amazing career because there's so many transferable skills that can come out of being a project manager or a program manager or a project coordinator, or even portfolio. But just being in this thing called project management, there's so much opportunity personally for your growth as well as for your business. So again, family, I encourage you to connect with mentors. I do mentorship, coaching, and try not to find free mentorship or free coaching. Uh, and even, and if you want to take it a step further, try not to find a free networking. Try to something that's paid, because I've noticed when I went to like paid networking events or paid like meetings, people were more serious. They took it more serious because they had something invested. They had, as my grandma would say, they had some skin in the game. So try and focus on that. I mean, eventually the project management lab, which is we created, is already on Facebook that I've created. Eventually it will become a paid group. So I'll be moving that group off Facebook and put them in a paid location. And because I believe when you pay for something, you pay attention. I might be wrong. I don't know, but we'll see. But anyway, family, again, the last and final point was networking and connecting, and I hope that you connect with me on YouTube. I think I even have an Instagram that I'm building out too for you guys, so if you want to DM me a quick question or something, I'll be available for you. Until next time, this has been your boy ED. I'm out.